The rich are getting filthy richer, and we have been living through the biggest transfer of wealth in history. Plus, this year 2020 has been full of surprises. Here's the 2020 recipe for disaster: unemployment, evictions, foreclosures, and COVID-19. Let me remind you that I'm not an attorney or a financial advisor, and we highly suggest that you take the time to do some research. Today in Cerna Talks, we could talk about money, real estate, or if you are one of those who likes to be up to date, then you are in the right place. Cerna talks about finances, legal issues, and other farm-related topics. And the only thing that we expect from you is to subscribe to this awesome channel. This might be our first video. However, every single week, you will find another video with awesome information. And today, we're going to talk about the avalanche of evictions coming our way. I talk to a lot of people every single day, and today I spoke with Melanie. She is an awesome attorney, and she told me that they're getting ready for battle. They're thrilled to start working on all the evictions that were put on hold due to the Black Swan event or coronavirus, however you want to call it. Her office has thousands and thousands of files, and her desk is like up to here. People don't even realize how ugly this situation will be very soon. We have 10 cities everywhere. We have this coronavirus growing faster than ever. The population is getting sicker and sicker. And the world we knew in 2019, that world is gone. 2020 has a new meaning. And just like I spoke to an attorney today, I also spoke with a few investors. Some of them, they live here in Florida. Some of them live here in the US. Others live outside. And they are having virtual conclaves every other day or at least once a week. They are figuring out a way to get more partners and more cash together. They're getting ready to start playing Monopoly. They want to buy as many properties as they can. Remember that this is the biggest transfer of wealth in history. And the economy experts say this, they say that, but to me, the economy is working exactly as a Swiss clock. All the money is going to the one top percent. And by the way, that 1% is wrong. That percentage is 0.7. And millions of people think that everything is fine. Anyway, I wish I could just rattle the cages and wake all of you. People say that 2008 is not going to happen again. And they are right. Those days are over. Now, what we are about to see is much worse than 2008. We have the biggest health crisis around the planet. We have millions of people unemployed around the planet, and we have lost millions and millions of jobs that will never come back. Plus, a lot of people will be losing their properties very soon. Keep in mind that not all markets and cities are the same. All of them are very different. And you might be experiencing hell in your city, or you might be in heaven. We have a housing shortage here in Southeast Florida, and with all this nonsense going on and the avalanche of evictions and foreclosures coming our way, who knows what's going to happen. But banks, they know that mortgage modifications don't work as advertised. It's all a game. Don't you know that? And very soon, they will be pushing hard for foreclosures because there will be enough cash buyers ready to take advantage of the situation. But another thing that might be an issue is that people take home ownership very lightly. In few years, most of the world population will be living as a tenant and not as a homeowner. But the entire world will be ruled by landlords. Unless your financial situation allows you to take immediate action. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to Cerna Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.